I've been wanting to make my living space a little bit more intentional, and I think this is where it starts. Today I'm unboxing the Apple HomePod and the Apple TV. Let's go! This is actually my first time owning a full-size HomePod, and I've been thinking about getting one for a long time now. Ever since the very first one came out a few years ago, but I just didn't want to rush into it. Because let's be honest, these HomePods, even though they're supposed to sound amazing, they do come at a very high price point. But since I'm trying to be more intentional with the things that I bring into my home, we decided that it was about time that we have something that we know is going to last for a long time. And this is the Apple TV 4K that actually came out back in 2022, but I just could not have a HomePod in my living room and not have an Apple TV to pair it with to get the most out of this Apple ecosystem. You can see how it barely hover over the screen that I'm supposed to scan, and it got it. Like, it scanned it so fast. Right now it is taking a minute because it's still configuring, but you guys, I am really excited. Okay, that was faster than I expected. We are done with the setup. I've actually been using an Apple TV in my bedroom for about 2 to 3 years, and compared to something like a Fire TV, it's just a completely different experience. Everything feels smoother, faster, and it doesn't slow down over time, like the way other systems do. I do love the fact that I can use my iPhone as a remote whenever I cannot find my remote or when I don't want to stand up to get it. If you need to type something, you can also use your iPhone to type the word if you're looking for a show, or in this case, rename my Apple TV playing with the settings. And just like that, it's updated. I can also preview my other Apple Home devices like my cameras or sensors from the TV. Honestly, the only thing that I can say is how everything just works together. It feels smooth, simple, and kind of effortless. This isn't really about replacing the TV. It's about making what we already have work better and bringing it into the Apple ecosystem when possible. I'm going to keep using this over the next week and see how it actually fits into my life. So far, this is already a step in the right direction.